pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Runeberg cakes. For this you will need 125 grams of softened butter, 80 grams of caster superfine sugar, 2 eggs, 50 grams of ground almond, 100 grams of self-rising flour, 50 grams of Crispbread, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, pinch of salt, 100 ml of cream, and 50 ml of water or orange juice. For the topping you will need raspberry jam, icing sugar, confectioner sugar, and I'm going to use some yellow food colour. First cream the butter and the sugar. Add the egg yolk and the other egg into your mixture. Mix again until thoroughly combined. Add the dry ingredients to a bowl. Already got floury. So the ground almonds, the vanilla sugar, cardamom powder, the ginger, and the salt. Not the crisp bread yet. Sift the dried ingredients into the egg mixture. Hold it in. Now it comes to the crunch. You need to make crisp bread crumbs. Now you can either put them in a plastic bag and bash them in the rolling pin, but I'm going to use a food processor. So I didn't like the way it came out bashed with a rolling pin. Well, that didn't work very well either, so I guess it's back to bashing them with a rolling pin. Actually, rolling them works best. Add the crisp bread crumbs to the mixture. And the cream. Hold it in. Now add the orange juice. And there it is. Take a greased muffin tin and half fill each section with the mixture. It would be best, of course, to use the proper Finnish tart cases, but I don't have any. bake for 15 minutes at gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. Yes, people still use gas ovens. When they come out of the oven, you want to make a little hole in the centre. And fill it with a teaspoonful of jam. Like that. And now for the tricky bit, making the icing. I've got 110 grams of icing sugar in here, confection sugar, and some hot water. I'm going to add a little bit. I think that's okay. Add some food colouring. Now it goes into a piping bag. And I will attempt to ice it round jam. One. I'll do one more. Looks good. And now for the taste test. They are lovely. Better than my first attempt. I think it was the ginger that did it. Yes. I've got a little bit of icing left over, so I'm going to ice the holes.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting.